afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We are excited to introduce you to Freddie, an intelligent life coach, which is designed to empower individuals through personalized coaching. So, before we dive into Freddie, let's first understand why coaching is important. Why is it so powerful? So you must have heard about therapy or mentoring. So what happens in mentoring? The mentors ask advice. They give advice or they give solution based on their experiences. But coaching doesn't give direct advice or solutions. Instead, it guides individuals to find their own answers. Now, getting your own answers by yourself is more effective than just getting a direct solution to your problem, right? Because when you find your own answers, your own solutions, you will be empowered to, you will be motivated to work on that solution because it will seem more practical to you. So, in coaching, it will ask you right questions to make you aware about your problem, to uncover the root cause of your problem. Now, if you if you know the root of the problem, if you know the cause of the problem, you got half of the solution. You will understand the logic, and you will the confusion is gone there. So people who receive coaching become more self-aware. They become more confident and accountable, which will lead to lasting, personal development. Now, for example, imagine someone struggling with public speaking, suppose. So instead of just telling them practice more or giving them suggestions, what a coach would do, he will ask questions. He will ask what specific part of speaking makes you nervous, or what small steps can you take today to feel more confident. So this is where coaching makes a huge difference. It encourages self-reflection and empowers individuals to take action on their own. So instead of relying on external advice, they trust on their own judgment. So people who are more likely to take action when they are more likely to take action when they arrive at a solution themselves rather than being told what to do. Now, let me show you how Freddie facilitates, meaningful conversations. So here, this is our page, edzcoach.com. When you go to this website and then click on Let Us Start. Register here if you are new to this site. Click on User and then fill in the details and register as user. You will get a verification link, verify your account, and then log in with your credentials. So we click on Freddie and I agree. So to start the conversation, first type hi or hello, coach. So Freddie begins every session by asking the user for 3 goals they want to achieve. This step is important because it helps the user reflect on what truly matters to them and it gives a direction to the entire coaching process. So let me give my first goal. So it will ask you goal 2 and then goal 3, but this is optional. You can type not available and proceed with your topic. So it is asking you for a new topic, like what would you like to discuss? So I'll give, I'll click on new topic because you are new here. So you can't click on existing topic. If you click, like you won't get any existing topics because you haven't discussed any. So click on new topic and type here whatever is in your mind. I'm feeling confused about my career and not sure what to do next. I want to understand my strengths and set clear career goals and make a plan to achieve them. Can you help me figure out the right path for me? So here is the Freddy's response. As you can see from this conversation, in the beginning, the user was very confused about his, career. And when he is answering these questions, in this process, he is realizing his true potential. And you can see this response. So this was just a small example. There are many, many problems which people face, and they don't know whom to share with. So this is where Freddy comes into picture. Freddy helps you with the problem solving, and it will not like you won't feel that you are being judged or something. Uh, that thing will not happen when you are chatting with an AI bot. So you can talk to Freddy about many challenges like overcoming procrastination, improving time management, building self confidence, or managing stress, uh, or setting personal goals. And there are many more things which you can discuss with Freddy. So that was it. Like any questions
Thank,
so far?
thank you, Sumaya, for giving us a great demo. This would be really helpful for people in both professional and personal life.
Yeah.
Sumaya, I have a question to ask you. If
Yeah, yeah. But
suppose you were having a conversation with a chatbot under a topic which was related to career, right? If
yeah.
suppose I want to use a new topic that is
Mhm.
totally irrelevant to the career topic.
You want to ask
Can it
something which is
work?
not relevant to this topic.
Yeah, yeah. Can it
Okay.
work?
Okay, give me something. I'll type.
Yeah, yeah. Do you think exercising is necessary?
Do you think exercising is necessary in daily life?
Yeah, yeah.
Let us see what it answers. Okay. So it answers exercising regularly is essential for maintaining both physical and mental well-being. By incorporating exercise into your daily routine, you can enhance your focus, creativity, and overall productivity. So it will answer your it Freddy will answer your question, even if it is irrelevant to the topic. Even if it's not related to your current topic, because it's smart enough to understand your new question and give you a helpful response. Plus, it will try to connect its answer to what you have talked about before. So this will, make this will make the conversation feel smooth and natural. Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Any
I
more
have,
questions?
yeah, Sumaya, it was good. Your application is good. But I have a question. Nowadays, there are different AI tools in the market, right? Then
Hmm.
what is the difference between your Freddy and ChatGPT?
Uh, ChatGPT, you all know that yes, it will give you a solution, it will give you advice, but Freddy is built specifically for coaching. There are many key differences. Freddy will let the organizations, it will let the coaches, add their own questions, and it will help you tailor the conversations to fit the user's need. But ChatGPT will not do it directly. Freddy follows a clear process, asking about your current situation, keeping you accountable, and then checking your progress. But ChatGPT only offers advice. It's more general, and it will not follow any structured coaching plan. If you say that I am stressed about exams, so Freddy will remember your past chats, which will help you create a study plan, and it will check in later to see your progress. But ChatGPT, it can give you tips, but it won't track your progress or customize the experience for you. So in short, Freddy is more like a personal coach that knows you, while ChatGPT is like an assistant that gives helpful advice but doesn't remember your journey.
Okay, thank you.
Any more questions?
Wonderful demo, Sumaya. But can I ask you one question regarding the messages? Like, how many messages can we send to a Freddy in a single session?
Yeah, you can ask, Freddy will ask 50 questions for each topic. And at the end of the session, you will get a summary of your discussion and personalize, like whatever, it will give you some task also based on your responses. But in this, trial session, you can discuss only one topic. So if you want to explore more topics, you will need to upgrade to a premium plan. And also, like if I say here, if I want to end this conversation, I'll have to say bye, and it will tell you that your transcript, you will receive the conversation transcript on your registered email. Now, suppose when you come back again, okay, you log in and you come back again and you say hi. So from here you can choose your existing topics. This was the topic which we have discussed just now. So when you click on this, Freddy will give you last two responses which you have discussed, and it will tell you that you have sent 6 messages so far and you can send 44 more. That means you can answer more 44 questions. So in total, 50 questions are there. And only one topic can be discussed for this trial session. Otherwise, if you want more topics, like if you want to discuss, then you have to take a premium plan.
Thank you.
So that wraps up the demo of Freddy. I hope you got a clear idea of how Freddy can provide personalized coaching and support through meaningful conversations. Uh, thank you all for your time and attention. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. But thank you once again. We can wrap up this time.
Yeah, thank you, Sumaya.